Hi everyone, this is Susie from the Boys and Girls Club, and today I'm going to make a little craft with you that's kind of like a spinning ball. So what we want to start with are 10 strips of different colors of paper. So I've got my variety here, and then I'm going to get 2 circles of paper, and I've punched a hole in the center, and I'm going to put glue on that. You know what, I'll put the pink side up so we can see it better. And I'm going to put some liquid glue on there. Okay. Then I'm going to start laying down strips of paper on opposite ends. So we'll do one here, one across from it here, across from it there. I'm going to add a little more glue. And as I put it down, I'm just being sure not to go over the hole in the center of my circle. Actually, let's put it like that. And then put one there. And my last 2 over here. And you can have fun mixing and matching your patterns. You can do them all the same color, whatever works for you. Now I'm going to take another circle. I have 4 of these circles with a hole in them, and put glue on it again and put that over it just to reinforce this so it stays attached. Okay, hopefully I didn't stick it to my paper here. So next we're going to do that again with the other side. I'm going to take a circle again, put glue on it, and try to keep them in the same order. Well, do keep them in the same order. And I'm just going to bend it up and attach them. I'm just going to go in a circle here this time. So you can see I'm keeping them in the same order that they were on the first piece. So just keep adding glue as you need it to make sure they all stick. That one, and my last piece. Okay, so I'll try not to drop that. Get my last circle here, and one more time put glue on it. Need another hand. There we go. And put that right over the original one so we can still see the hole through it. Okay, see that? So you have something that looks like this. Okay, and if your glue is still really wet, you want to let it dry before you handle it too much. Okay, next we need to get our stick. I'm using like a barbecue skewer. So you do want to be careful if you're using this type of stick because it's sharp. So after we go through the holes, we're going to need to blunt that down so it doesn't hurt you. So I'm poking it through here, and then I'm poking it through the top one. Okay, and now I want to get rid of this sharp edge, so I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just cut that off so nobody gets poked. Okay, we'll throw that little tip away. I'm going to put a little more glue around the top and just let that dry. I kind of have a lot, but I want this one to stay right where it's at. The bottom one, I'm not going to bother gluing it to the stick because I want that to be able to move if it needs to. Okay, so that's going to take a minute to dry. And if you need to kind of make this slide good, just kind of make the hole a little looser, and then you can play with it. And as you spin it, there we go. A lot of fun. Okay, hope you have fun with that project. So an important thing is you want to make sure that the top is secure, that the glue, you put a lot of glue on it and that it has dried before you try to spin it. I actually put some tape over it as well and inside, just to be extra sure that it would stay put. The bottom you want to be able to move, but the top you want it to be not to spin on the stick. Only the bottom should be able to spin on the stick. And then you can make different shapes and designs when you spin it. It's really a lot of fun to play with. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for joining me. Bye.